ZANU-PF Bulawayo Youth League has disapproved of President Mnangagwa's bid of a third term. Zvadhakwa manje takuona kuti Youth League yekubulawayo yakuuya ichiti no zviri kuitiwa nemamwe maprovinces tikuenda against nazvo. Vanhu vese munongozwa kuti Bulawayo yagara yakajamuka, Bulawayo yagara itori nebeef neZANU-PF hatombodi kana kutomboonana. Zambeda mashoko buda nyoka muzera nazo kuti subscribe like kuti on the bell icon. TV na mzimu aya vanyora vachiti the Youth League said Mnangagwa should resign his decision not to seek re-election when his term of office expires in 2028. Youth League Provincial Chairperson Freedom Muireju said, as the Youth League in Bulawayo, we have come up with several resolutions which we request our National Secretary for Youth Affairs, Tino Machakete, to pass them to the President. The major resolution is that we are impressed with the development that President Mnangagwa is superheated within the nation. We kindly request that he sees through Vision 2030 and continue the development of the nation till he finishes what he said Mr. Mureju. We also resolved that after observing the works of the late Vice President Joshua Nkomo, we appeal to the President that the day Vice President Nkomo died, he declared a national holiday. Ndozo atikona zvimunyoko panapa tichiona kuti aiwa Bulawayo Youth League panapa itaura mashoko kuti yes, we are impressed nema developments ari kuitwa naED Mnangagwa, but at the same time we are disapproving our ED Mnangagwa's bid yekuda kuextenda achinorula the third term. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu musangano subscribe or like, turn on the bell.